In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your Twitch stream key securely. Let's get started. The safest and most recommended method is to avoid manually copying your stream key whenever possible. Instead, open your broadcasting software such as OBS Studio and connect your Twitch account directly using the built-in account connection feature. This uses secure authentication, often called OAuth, which allows OBS to communicate with Twitch without requiring you to manually reveal or paste your stream key. By signing in directly through OBS, you greatly reduce the risk of exposing the key on screen or leaving it copied to your clipboard. If you need to use the stream key manually, make sure you handle it carefully. Click on your profile icon, go to Creator Dashboard, then head over to the option settings, click on Stream. Locate your stream key, avoid revealing the key while sharing your screen or recording tutorials. Copy it only when necessary, paste it directly into your streaming software, and once you are finished, clear your clipboard so the key is not left accessible. Never share your stream key with anyone and avoid storing it in unsecured notes or documents. And that's how you can securely set up your Twitch stream key. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.